Similar to half moon back bend, camel pose strengthens the inner spinal muscles while the spine is engaged in an extension. It's not about how far you can go back. It's about enhancing the neuromuscular connection with the spinal muscles associated with stability and control. Remember, you need your spine to be strong and agile, which you do not achieve by forcing the spine back. Camel pose. First off, stand on your knees roughly shoulder width apart, hips over knees. Inhale, exhale, palms out, arms up. Interlace the fingers, release the index fingers, cross thumb. Now we have to pre-open our structure. Take a deep inhale, and on the exhale, relax the bum and drive the chest up and away from the hip to really elongate the spine. Open the shoulders, even feel the hip sockets opening out. Okay, that's your starting point. Now, take a deep inhale. When the lungs are full, exhale, relax the bum, pull the chest up away from the hip, really elongate the spine, and then gently push your hips forward into the space you've just created. And then pause for the inhale, holding and maintaining that position. Next, exhale, relax your whole structure and pull your chest up to the ceiling. Keep the bum and the lower back muscles beautifully relaxed. You can imagine there's a cable connected to the chest and it's doing all the work, lifting the chest up to the ceiling. Pause for the inhale. Exhale, relax everything and expand your whole body open, gently driving the hips forward. Feel the cable lift the chest up, lower back muscles, glutes relax. Every inhale, you're holding and maintaining the expansion you just created. Exhale, you relax and feel your inner core strength pull every fiber, every atom of your body expanding open. Your mindset, your energy is forward. You're not looking back, you're looking forward, expanding open. Exhale, drive the chest up and away to come back. One question I'm often asked is why I don't grab the feet as typically done in most styles of yoga. As a junior yoga teacher, I was told that by grabbing the feet, you create a framework from which you can push the hips forward to bend the spine back more. At the time, I accepted that mindset because I falsely believed you could bulldoze your body into submission. Also, I was not fully aware of the extent you overcompress the intervertebral discs in the spine when grabbing the feet. If you grab your feet, you don't engage the inner spinal muscles at all because your mover muscles are fighting with the tension of a fixed, rigid structure. We need to eliminate tension. The body will not evolve and adapt to give you greater spine mobility if you don't have the inner neuromuscular control to use it. Also, grabbing the feet behind you simply creates a mechanical anchor to force the spine back, which will, over time, compress into and damage the spine. Never, ever grab your feet. As I mentioned in half moon back bend, the spine is not designed for excessive repeated bending. Forcing the spine is really not a good idea. Stability is the primary function of the spine, absorbing and transmitting motion created by the limbs. If you grab your feet, you create an extremely functionally passive structure, which is made far worse by the fact that most students just lean back and rest on their feet, even though they're told not to. For all these reasons, I do not grab the feet behind. And I see far greater rapid results in all my students. As I outlined in half moon back bend, keep your mind's eye in front of you, expanding the body open. Never look behind you. Always look forward so that the reptilian brain does not misread your intention, thinking you are asking it to engage the back muscles and simply pull the spine back. Your intention is always to relax and expand open.